following counties: North Central Carolina, Columbiana, and Pennsylvania, including the following counties: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Southern Clarion, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. When? Until 8 a.m. Thursday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Numerous roads remain closed due to flooding. Additional details: at 8:44 p.m., gauge reports indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is already occurring in the Warren area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain has fallen. Additional light rain is expected overnight. Some locations that will experience flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Cranberry, Moon Township, Newcastle, McMurray, Greensburg, McKeesport, Indiana, Butler, Washington, Franklin Park, Salem, East Liverpool, and Uniontown. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In heavy terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.